bacon, venison. I can't remember what cut this is, but I'm gonna wrap this thing in bacon, slice it up, and then cook it a little bit later on the grill. Here are a couple of venison steaks. I don't know what cut they are. I'm gonna smoke these with some wood chips. Smoke should last for about an hour and a half. This is applewood smoke. These guys were getting a little too warm too quick for my liking, so I came home to flip them over for the first time. I heated up the grill a little too hot initially. Come on, guy. And yeah, so I had turned the heat back down to 180. It was at about 250. I'll get them really hot at the end, but I wanted them to have enough time to smoke. Well, the steaks are done. They have reached medium rare. Very good. Maybe a little bit more on this bacon. I did layer it up pretty thick though. Yeah, it's done. Oh yeah, that's really good.